In this demonstration, Aviva's mobile operator rounds is utilized to perform the inspection of a haul truck using a mobile device, while a PI system is directly integrated for manual data entry and visualization. In the following demonstration, a shift supervisor uses Aviva's mobile operator rounds to update a haul truck inspection procedure, and then schedules it to be completed by an operator in the field. The operator performs the visual inspection by following the steps of the procedure sent to their mobile device via the mobile operator app. Once completed, the supervisor audits and approves the inspection results, while the plant manager can monitor the plant activity, viewing PI Vision dashboards of the truck fleet, and the manual data entry responses coming directly from mobile operator. The shift supervisor uses Aviva's Mobile Operator Management Center to update the oil inspection procedure for their haul truck fleet. They start by adding a task to the procedure, directing the person scheduled to perform the inspection to also perform a check of the engine's oil pressure. In the task, they provide information on the valid oil pressure range, set the expected response to fall within this range, and select the value's unit of measure. They also place a native PI system integration under this new task, and set it so the response value for the oil pressure will automatically update the specified oil pressure tag in PI. With the oil inspection procedure now updated, they add the parent truck inspection procedure to the schedule. Assign it to be performed by the operator, and specify the shift, as well as how often the inspection should be performed. In the field, the operator is ready to inspect their haul trucks, so they open their mobile device and find the new haul truck inspection procedure scheduled for them to complete. They start by opening the procedure, but before beginning the first step, they check the navigation view, where they can see an overview of everything included in the procedure. In particular, from here they can access documentation, such as manuals, images, and videos linked to the procedure that may be helpful to complete the truck inspection. Once they finish looking over these items, they navigate back to Task View to begin working through the steps of the inspection. First, they must fill in the details of the specific tools and equipment required to successfully complete the inspection. Once this information has been entered, they proceed to the next step, which requests the identity of the specific haul truck asset they will be inspecting. They can do this by either scanning the asset's barcode, or manually selecting it from the listed options. After selecting Haul Truck 101, they proceed to the tire and wheel inspection, where they are asked a series of questions related to the health of the tires and wheels, such as whether any lugs are missing or cracked, and if the tires appear physically worn out, damaged, or flat. After confirming the tires and wheels appear safe to use, they proceed to the next step. Here, the procedure notifies them that mobile operator will check the PI tag for the total number of service hours since the truck's last oil change. If the value of this PI tag is greater than 500 hours, then the oil inspection procedure will automatically be triggered. If it is greater than 750 hours, an oil change is automatically required. Continuing, a pop-up message now informs them that according to the PI tag, the truck has run 595 service hours since its last oil change. Based on the previous conditional check in the procedure, the oil inspection procedure is automatically triggered. Here, they record that the oil level is normal, and no leaks have been found. Moving on, they are asked to check the engine oil pressure, which is the task recently added to the procedure by the shift supervisor. After reading the oil pressure on the truck's gauge, the operator records a value of 35 psi. Based on the message at the top, this value is within the proper working range. Once the inspection is complete, this value will be updated in the PI system with the current timestamp. For the final step, they perform a visual inspection of the oil's color, which they observe to be amber. Based on the numerical color value scale below the entry field, they record the color with a value of 5. This value will also be recorded in the PI system upon completion of the procedure. They encounter a pop-up message while attempting to proceed, stating that the value they entered for the oil's color indicates the oil needs to be changed, and a work order request is generated to have this done. With the oil inspection completed, mobile operator returns to the truck inspection procedure, where they confirm they performed the inspection according to the required standards, and complete it. The dashboard now shows that both procedures are completed, and the operator now performs a transfer to send the completed procedures back to the Mobile Operator Management Center for validation by the shift supervisor. Back in Management Center, the shift supervisor can see that the truck and oil inspection procedures have been completed and have been queued for them to approve the results. They first select the oil inspection, checking the details, such as the value recorded for the color of the oil, and the note attached, indicating that an oil change is needed. The shift supervisor then approves the results and moves on to audit the truck inspection. Here, they verify the service hours and other response details. And once they've finished their review, they approve this inspection as well. Later that day, the plant manager opens PiVision to view the dashboard for the truck fleet. From this first page they see the status of all the trucks, based on the data in the Pi system. From here, the plant manager navigates to a display where they see the engine details of the truck that was just inspected. In particular, they can see the values of the oil color and pressure that were recorded by the operator during the truck inspection from the mobile operator application.